Exclusive to Livewell, we're excited to introduce our first InstaFold scooter, a fantastic addition to our range of powered mobility products. This scooter was designed to fold easily to a compact size, making it ideal for day trips, taking away on holiday, or on visiting your local shopping centre. Using the easy-to-operate key fob, the InstaFold scooter can be automatically folded up or down in under 20 seconds. If you don't have the key fob to hand, the scooter can also be folded by using the button on the battery pack, providing great peace of mind when you're out and about. If the battery is removed, it can also be folded utilising the power port, making it ideal for air travel. The InstaFold scooter folds to a remarkably compact size, allowing you to fit it into the smallest of car boots, making it ideal for transportation. It also stands vertically, which is perfect for storage in and around the home. The InstaFold scooter has a fresh design with a metallic silver frame, stylish alloy wheel hubs, and is available in either metallic red or striking black. Designed to be slimline yet comfortable, you can travel in style with this simple-to-use portable pavement scooter. This mini scooter has a top speed of 4 miles per hour, so it's legal to ride on the pavement and pedestrian precincts. It features an easy-to-read display, variable speed functions, and includes a height-adjustable tiller to help you to find your most comfortable driving position. This scooter is enjoyable to use, manoeuvring easily in small spaces, and will turn heads with its stylish appearance. The scooter is made from lightweight aluminium and is one of the lightest in its class on the market, weighing only 25 kilograms in total. It features a handy carry handle that also acts as a trolley-style handle, making it easy to maneuver when the scooter is not in use. Charging this mobility scooter couldn't be easier. The LED battery charge indicator keeps you fully informed on how much power is left, and you can either charge the battery on board the scooter or remove and charge elsewhere. The scooter includes lithium batteries, which are much lighter than traditional batteries, contributing to the scooter's overall lightweight design. When fully charged, this scooter has an impressive maximum range up to 10 miles, 16 kilometers. There is an option to purchase an additional battery if more mileage is required. It also features automatic electromagnetic brakes, a rubber floor mat, puncture-proof tyres and rear anti-tip wheels for safety. It has a hard-wearing, durable, easy-clean PU seat and boasts a generous maximum weight capacity of 19 stone or 120 kilograms. The modern design certainly catches the eye, and with its lithium batteries, this mobility scooter is an excellent example of the next generation of powered mobility products. The InstaFold scooter comes with our Livewell extended 2-year warranty. This is a real testament to our commitment to durability and quality products that won't let you down. As you can see, the InstaFold offers much more than your average scooter, but is still available at an excellent price. You can count on Livewell to provide solutions for comfort, convenience, and independent living. If you have any questions or require any more information, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly product advice team.